Hello and welcome back to another iHeat video. Today we're doing how to get a heat pump quote on the iHeat website. So let's jump straight in, waste no more time. All you'll need is your address and answer a few simple questions about your property. Let's get straight in. We are starting off on the quote page of the iHeat website, and this is iheat.co.uk/quote, which will be the top line of the description of this video, but you're probably already there if you're watching it. So what would you like to get a quote for? We are after a heat pump today, so we're gonna click heat pump. And then from here, we've got hassle-free heat pumps, enter your address. So you can type in either the first line of your address or just your postcode, which is probably the easiest way for most people. From here, select your address. I will have to blur mine out. And straight away, first question, what type of home do you live in? So don't overthink this question too much, don't get too precise. Just, is it semi-detached, where it's two houses with gaps either side, detached, terraced, bungalow, apartment, etc, etc. I live in a terraced house, click terraced. How many bedrooms do you have? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 for me, let's click 3. How many bathrooms do you have? Now this is bathrooms with individual baths in. So I have 3 bathrooms in my house. There's a downstairs toilet and then 2 bathrooms upstairs. The downstairs toilet doesn't have a bath or shower in, so you don't count that as a bathroom, but upstairs the ensuite has a shower and a bath, and so does the actual main toilet. So that means I have 2 bathrooms in my home. Of course, at any point during this, you can go onto the intercom live chat and have a chat with our office team. They are perfectly there to help you out with anything you need. So any questions, do not hesitate to ask away. Straight away, we've got a nice summary of our building. So what year it was roughly built. Mine was built in 2006. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's got 112 meters squared total floor area. We get this information from the EPC attached to your property. If you don't have one or it is out of date, be sure to get one updated so that you can get an accurate quote from us and other providers of a heat pump. Here at the bottom, it says I have 112 meters squared total floor area. Let's say I add an extension on the back of the house, or I just know off the top of my head that that isn't correct, you can edit this right away. Again, any questions, concerns, customer service team is always there to help. From here, I'm gonna click show results, and then it will find the perfect heat pump for my property. You can also save your quotes. This will secure your quote for the next 7 days. So maybe you're not really too sure if it's something you want to do straight away or you haven't got time. Put your email address in, put your phone number, and we'll remind you that your quote still exists in 7 days. And here we are. At the very top, we've got the Worcester Bosch compressed 5800i 5 kilowatt heat pump. I also like the breakdown here on the left. It tells you how much it will be after the government bus grant. It breaks it down there all for you. So your survey and consultation is free. The home survey and heat loss report, which is very important for heat pumps. The supply and installation of your new heat pump, and then disposal or recycling of your old boiler, and then the parts and labor warranty with the manufacturer. So there we go, it is all there, and there is my price. This is actually cheaper than if I wanted to get a new boiler for my property. I remember getting a quote for it a long time ago, and we were talking probably up to $1,000 more just for a new combi boiler. So to get a brand new off-the-shelf heat pump installed, which is not only gonna save me a lot of money on my bills, but also make my ecological footprint a lot higher, a lot better. And also it may increase the value of my property in years to come when the heat pumps are the best things to have. So that is a very nice price. I like that. There is also a lot of finance available, which is really nice to see. And then from there, you can now book a virtual survey if you're happy with that particular heat pump, or you can scroll down and see what other options there are out on the market. You've got a Valent RO Therm Plus, the heat pump Bosch compress again, and that is the only 2 available for my property at the moment. But try your address, try your postcode, answer the few questions, and see what options you get. From here, it then labels out how we work at iHeat. So you book your virtual survey, which is just you taking a few photos around your home. We go onto Google Earth, have a quick scan of the house, and make sure it's everything okay for a heat pump. And from there, we'll book in a designated person to go to your property and start to map out and design your heat pump layout, which is completely different to how we do the boilers, as heat pumps are a whole new ball game. So from there, pop the kettle on, relax, and let our guys do their job. So I will leave a video up here for our latest heat pump install. It was actually the very first one we ever did, so it is a great watch. If you have any questions or concerns about heat pumps, watch that video first, leave a comment down below here, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. This has been iHeat.